Hello again, everyone. It's Caitlin here. So by now, you should have your model set up in Sagemodeler. I have a really simple one here just to demonstrate the next step. One of the really neat things about Sagemodeler is that we can use it to simulate environmental change and see how that affects the decomposition rate. So to get started, click on the arrow next to Simulate in the upper right-hand corner. This will turn on slider bars for each of your different model components that affect the others. You can use this to see how changes to the environment impact different parts of the model. So to start with, I want to test what happens with my two types of mulch. Let's start by moving the slider bar for straw-like mulch down to 0, which I have it here. And then let's move the slider for woody mulch all the way up. So this is basically saying we're not using straw-like mulch, but we are using woody mulch. What did you notice happened to the decomposition rate? A high bar means lots of decomposition, and a low bar means not a lot of decomposition. You can move it around to even watch what's happening without woody mulch and with woody mulch. Next, you can try it the other way around. So let's bring woody mulch all the way down. We're not using woody mulch in this simulation. We do want to add straw-like mulch and see what happens to decomposition rate. Is this the same thing that happened with woody mulch, or is it different? How about with no mulch at all? Or maybe even with both? What sort of effect does that have on decomposition rate? You can also play with the other environmental factors that could affect decomposition as well, such as precipitation or sunlight. Does the mulch affect the decomposition rate in the same way if there is a lot of rain or a little? Go ahead and play with your model and see how all sorts of changes in the ecosystem might affect the decomposition rates of our mulch.